Hello kids, welcome to Aditya Kids Education. Today we are going to start with a new topic of science, that is plant increasing the numbers. In this topic we will cover a seed, that its parts, seed germination, dispersal of seeds and new plant from other parts of plants. Okay, so are you ready? So let's start. Plants. Our life fully depends on nature. Plants are major parts of nature. So now what are the importance of plants? First, plants give us food, cereals, pulses, vegetables and fruits. Sugar and oil are to obtain from plants. Plants provide us wood, fibers, rubber, gum, tea and coffee. Plants supply us with life-giving oxygen, and this is very much important. Life on the earth cannot exist without plants. Okay. Now new plants from seeds. So first of all, why does plant produce so many seeds? They do so because most of the plants grow from seeds. They contain everything necessary for the growth and development of a new plant. Okay, now we will see the seeds and its parts. Mostly seeds have 4 major parts, and they are seed coat, cotyledons, tiny shoot and tiny root. Let's have a look on them in detail. Okay, the picture shows the seed of a bean. Okay, so when you soak this seed in water for few days, then you will notice that outer covering of the seed has swelled, फूल जाता है, because the seed was in water. Okay, now see in this picture, the outer covering is seed coat. This seed coat is usually hard, thick and brownish in color. Okay, as you can see in the picture. Now when you cut the seed in 2 halves, you will be able to see the same picture as shown here. So you can see 2 yellowish parts of the seed, and that is cotyledon. And cotyledon is described as a seed leaf that stores food for baby plant. Okay, now as long as the baby plant does not grow green leaves, it depends on the food stored in this seed, that is cotyledons. Now say in this portion of a seed, okay, roots develop for a new plant from this portion in downward direction, and this is the known as tiny root. Okay, it comes out first in the germination. Now say in this portion of the seed, this is called tiny shoot. From here shoots starts to develop. Okay, tiny roots. Tiny roots come out from the seed coat. These roots grow downwards towards the gravity. You can also see in the picture. Okay, see in the picture. Okay, next is tiny shoot. Shoots come from the seed coat and shoot grows upward towards the sunlight. See in the picture, you can see the leaves grows in the upward direction towards the sunlight. Okay, Now we will learn types of seeds, and mostly there are two types of seeds. One is Dicot seeds and another is Monocot seeds. Okay, first we will see Dicot seeds. Seeds of some plants like gram, peas and beans have two seed leaves. So, two seed leaves is also called cotyledon, and these seeds are called dicot seeds. You can also say it is dicotyledon seeds. This is a picture of a bean, okay, which has two cotyledons. Can you see two cotyledons, the yellowish part? Yes, and the example of dicotyledon seeds are beans, gram and peas. Okay, understood. Next we will see monocot seeds. Seeds of some plants like wheat, maize and rice have one seed leaf, that is cotyledon, only one cotyledon, and are called monocot seeds. Okay, this is a picture of a maize seed cut in two half. You can see the seed coat. Yes, you can see the seed coat. Now see this greenish portion. This is cotyledon, and it is only one cotyledon. Okay, in monocot seeds there is only one cotyledon. Now from here, this is tiny roots where roots will develop. Okay, and this is tiny shoot. Okay, I hope now you are clear about the parts of seeds and its type. Okay, now next topic is seed germination. The development of seed into seedling is called germination. Air, moisture means water, and warmth means sunlight are the conditions necessary for germination. Now we will see how these conditions help in germination of a seed. Okay, air. Why air is necessary? Because a germination seed needs air to breathe. Moisture, it's water. Water makes the seed coat soft, that helps the baby plant to break the seed open and come out. Next is warmth, that is sunlight. Warmth is needed for the cells of the seed to become active. So once these conditions are satisfied, the seed germination starts to begin. Okay, now see in this picture. This picture will show the stages of germinations. So stage 1. Once the seed germinates, the root, also called radicle, develops first. Okay, and grows in the downward direction, in a search of water and minerals. Then comes stage 2. Eventually, the growing plant bursts open through the seed coat in the search of sunlight. Stage 3. Meanwhile, the shoot also starts growing upward towards the light. Soon you can see a baby plant with the tiny leaves. And the last stage, stage 4, the leaves continues to grow towards the light source and start to make its own food, and this process is called photosynthesis. Okay, now this was all about seed germination. Our next topic is dispersal of seeds. You are aware of that plants are fixed to the ground, and cannot move from one place to another? If all the baby plants grow near the parent plants, they would not survive. Why? Can you tell me? Yes, because they will not get enough sunlight, food, water, and space to grow. So, seeds need to be scattered to a new place so that they have a better chance of germination and survival. Hence, there are some agents in nature to carry the seeds or fruits away from their parent's plant. This process is called dispersal. Okay. Now have a look on some agents of dispersals. Agents of dispersal. These special structures of certain seeds and fruits help these seeds in dispersal. Okay, dispersal is carried out by the wind, water, animals, even human beings, and by the explosion of fruits. Now we will have a look on these agents one by one. Okay, first one is wind. Seeds of cotton, madar and heptage are light and have hair or wings, so they can be easily carried by the wind. Okay, now see the cotton seeds. Cotton seeds have hair all around the seeds. Okay, now see the picture of madar seeds. Madar seeds has a tuft of hair. And see in the picture of heptase seed, they have wings. Okay, so because of these hairs and wings, these seeds can be easily dispersed by wind. So next is water. Many plants have seeds that use water as a means of dispersal, like the lotus fruit has spongy part and the coconut has a fibrous outer covering to enable them to float on water. Okay, now see the image of a fruit of a lotus. Yes, this one image. Okay, what will you see? That lotus has a fruit and it is a very spongy fruit. So because of that, it floats on water. Now see the next picture of coconut which has already germinated. Okay. Next is dispersal by animals. With the help of these, human beings and animals eat fruits like cherries and mangoes, jamun also, and throw away their seeds. Some seeds have hooks or spines. They get stuck to the hairy skin of animals, even human beings' clothes, and are carried away. Birds swallow some seeds which come out unchecked in the droppings. Okay, some example of seeds that can be carried away by the animals are speargrass. Speargrass have spines. Tiger nail seed. Tiger nail seeds have hooks. You can see also in the picture. This picture. Okay, the next one is xanthan seed. Xanthan seeds have hairs. Okay, so with the help of these stiff hairs, spines, and these seeds can be easily stuck to the animal's fur, even to the clothes of human beings. Next is explosion. Now, what do you think? What is the meaning of explosion? Yes, it means it is type of a blast. Okay. Some fruits like peas in a pod burst open or explode when dry. the force of explosion helps to scatter the seeds. So we will see how, okay, how explosion help the seeds to dispersed. So see in the picture. What you see that a pea pod. You see in the picture pea pod? Okay. So when the pea pod is dry, the pod of a pea burst open or explode. Okay. अचानक से खुलना. And dry peas comes out from the pea pod and scatter with the full force. Okay. And the seeds scatter here and there. So this type of scattering is due to explosion of the seeds. Okay. Now this was all about dispersal of seeds. Okay. Our next topic is new plants from other plants. Okay. So we will continue. New plants also grow from certain other parts such as roots, stem and leaves of the parent plants. Okay, first one is stem cutting. Rose, sugarcane and hibiscus grow from stem cutting. How? Okay, I will tell you. When we cut a part of a stem from a parent plant and put that part of a stem in the soil and give the proper condition, yes, and what are they? They are water, sunlight and air. So then it will grow into a new plant. Now come to the next one, that is underground stem. First of all, do you know children, potato is an underground stem. Okay. So the potato is a stem that grows underground and has buds like it is called eyes. Any part of a potato that has buds on it can grow into a new plant. Other underground stem. Onion and ginger are also the example of underground stem. Okay. Any parts of a potato which has an eye can grow into a new plant. See in the picture. There is a potato. You can see eye. Eye develops into a bud, and when you put the potato in a soil, then it becomes a new potato plant. How? I will explain you. So, have you seen a potato in the kitchen? Okay, potato has an eye. When these potato get all the three necessary conditions like air, moisture and warmth, the buds come out. Okay, and any parts of the potato that has the buds on it can grow into a new plant. So next one is roots. Sweet potatoes and carrots are the example of plants whose roots can grow into a new plant. Now have a look on a picture. The new plant can grow from the roots of sweet potato. Can you see in the picture? Okay, see in the picture there are how many sweet potatoes are, and they are grown from the roots. Okay. So next one is leaves. The leaves of a plant like Brophyllum can grow into a new plants. And how? Okay, now see in the picture. If you pluck a leaf of Brophyllum plant, then you will see after few days a new plants growing from the leaves of the Brophyllum. Okay. So this was all about the plants increasing in numbers. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In the upcoming videos, we will focus on the topics, and they are crops and vegetables, agriculture, protection of crops and storage of seeds. Okay. So till then, stay safe and be continue with my channel for more interesting videos. Okay. Bye kids.